Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal Series. Today we are discussing Gujarat ROC Adjudication Order for the violation of Section 64 of the Companies Act in the matter of the Roopyaa Finbizz Pvt Ltd dated 21st July 2022. In this case, a company having registered office in the state of the Gujarat and company files suo motu application to adjudicate the penalty for the violation of Section 64 of the Companies Act for delay in filing e-form SH-4. In application, company has stated that company had conducted EGM on 1st March 2022 to increase authorized capital from 1 lakh to 4 lakh. In pursuance of Section 64 of the Companies Act, particular of the increase of authorized capital in the prescribed form SH4 for the above said change in the authorized capital should be filed for registration with the ROC within 30 days of passing of the resolution of the EGM, that is on or before 31st March 2022. However, company had filed e-form SH4 with the ROC on 6 May 2022. Therefore, thereby the company and its officer in default have violated the provision of Section 64 by delay of 36 days behind the allowed 30 days as prescribed time in the Act and file this application for adjudication of penalty suo motu. As per Section 64 of the Companies Act, the company shall file with a notice in the prescribed form e-form SH4 with the office of the undersigned within a period of 30 days of such increase of share capital along with an altered memorandum with such fee as may be prescribed, and notice to be given to the registrar for alteration of the share capital where company alters share capital or as per order of government has effect of increasing authorized capital, and company or any company redeem its redeemable preference share. And further, where subsection 2 says where any company fails to comply with the above provision, such company and every officer who is in default shall be liable to penalty of 500 rupees for each day during which such default continues, subject to maximum of the 5 lakh rupees in case of the company and 1 lakh in case of officer who is default. And from the above facts, undersigned has reasonable cause to believe that the provision of Section 64 has not been complied by the company and its officer in default in time frame as prescribed. Thus, company and its officer in default have rendered themselves liable for penal action under subsection 2 of Section 64 of the Companies Act for 36-day delay. In response to the application, this office issued notice to the company and officer in default giving opportunity to be heard, and undersigned has held meeting for adjudicate the penalty for the violation of Section 64. During this meeting, the authorized representative of the company and director remained present in the office and committed the above default and requested that minimum penalty may be levied. While adjudicating a quantum of the penalty, adjudicating officer due regard of the following factor: amount of disproportionate gain or unfair advantage, where quantifiable, or amount of the loss caused to an investor group, or repetitive nature of a default. Having considered the facts and circumstances of the case, penalty imposed on the company for the 36 days delayed of 500 per day. This is a maximum 18,000, and on the two director who is officer default on for 36 days 500 each day, but that is 18,000 per director here. Notice shall pay the amount of penalty individually by what the company and its director out of own pocket by way of the form INC 28 of e-payment under pay miscellaneous fee, and after the payment of the penalty through online mode shall be forwarded to the ROC along with the copy of the INC 22. In case of preferring appeal against this order, then go for the appeal with the regional director. And in case of the violation, then subsection 8 of Section 454 shall be attacked. Thank you so much for watching this update.